got another dog video with our friend Zach. Say wave.
Hello.
Got Roxy going mad. Roxy. Oh no. This time she's just running because she's a bit older and more mature. No, we're not looking at her doing her business. There we go. You weirdos out there who wanted to see that. I'm not seeing it. Nope. Not seeing her business. Just do what you gotta do, Roxy. So guys, sorry I had to stop it. I just don't want people really looking at my dog having a poo. Anyway, we're going to end it there. There'll be another video coming soon. Peace.